Smita, can you tell us about the physical exercises of yoga?
Physical exercises of yoga are known as asanas, and if we see the Patanjali Yoga, the ancient most and the most authentic system of yoga, then there is an eightfold path for that. So it says yam, niyam, asan, pranayam, pratyahar, dhyan, dharana and samadhi. Eightfold path. So in that asanas also come. Asanas are done to bring a harmony in your body, to be physically fit, and to bring your mind, body and soul in one line, in harmony. Because if you have a healthy body, your mind, you will think, your thoughts will be healthy, your mind will be healthy. So that is the basic concept behind it. And all the asanas are derived from nature. If you see the names also, like Bhujangasana. Bhujangasana has come from snake. The way the snake, when he takes his foot up, so Bhujangasana is like that. Then same way Matsyasana, it is like making yourself as a fish. And then one is Vrikshasana, as a tree stands tall and erect. So that asana you depict that tree, any tree in that asana. So all these asanas are derived from the nature, from the animals, from the trees or other plants.
And they each have a specific health benefit?
Yes, they do have. They help you in keeping your body healthy. Your blood pressure can be in control. You can even control your diabetes, spinal problems, spinal cord problems, muscular problems. Overall health, everything will be fine once you. But the condition is you have to do it constantly. If you do for 2 days and you leave it, and you say that yoga and asana have not helped me, so that nobody can do anything. You have to do it consistently. Then only it helps your body.
And what about for people who are disabled or paralyzed? Can they still benefit from these exercises?
Yes, there are some exercises which can help them. For disabled people, the best things are pranayamas, because they can do it easily. There won't be any physical thing in that, only the air, the prana. Meditation can help them a lot. Meditation can make them strong from inside, and they can become more courageous. They can face the problems, health problems or the disability with lot of more courage. They become strong.
Okay.
They get lot of inner strength.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Thank you.